How to make 3D Eric Carmen with Gravity Sketch. Hello everyone, here is the 3D Eric Carmen. Let's find out how to make it with Gravity Sketch on your iPad. If you already have this app, you can skip this section. Or go to App Store, search Gravity Sketch, click Get to download it. Here shows the preview. Basically, this app is for you to make 3D design in a short time. Also, you can share, export, or even do 3D printing. Open the app and choose Sketch. Before the design, let's check the basic setting. In the left bar, the last one has 3 different options. And I'll take this one. In the right bar, click the setting. The setting is based on your preference. And I will take the first one. Scale 3 fingers and paint 2 fingers. Alright, now we can start with his skin color. Select Revolve on the left top and choose Circle. Either Apple Pencil or 1 finger to draw his hat, and click the dark circle to close the bottom. Next, use green color to draw his hat and click the dark circle. Then use yellow color for the remaining part of his hat. Don't forget to click the dark circle. Three fingers on the screen to scale down his hat, and 2 fingers to move it up. We continue to use Revolve function. Choose red color to draw his coat, and click dark circle. Then brown color to draw his pants, and black color for his shoes. Click the cube on the right and hold it to move the whole body down until it's slightly below the surface of his body. In the left bar, click Symmetry and choose the first one. You can change the size of the pen, and this one looks good for me. And choose yellow color to draw his gloves. Okay, it looks fine. Once again, use the right cube to move down to the surface of his face. I'll choose white color for his eyes. And it looks fine. Choose black color, click the cube to move up a little bit to draw his eyeballs. Now we don't need symmetry. Go to the left bar, click the fourth one and choose white color to draw his mouth. Well, I want the mouth to be down a little bit, so how to do it? Click the inverted triangle in the right bottom, and you'll see the mouth is highlighted in red color. Now we can click the cube on the right to move the mouth down. Don't forget to click the cross in the right bottom to stop this action. Click the cube on the right to move it up around the surface of his coat. Click the sphere on the left bar and choose black color. Draw a circle on the side, then click the inverted triangle to highlight the sphere. 2 fingers to move it to the middle. Click the plus on the left to duplicate it. Move it to the middle and close this action. Congratulations! You just made a 3D Eric Carmen. Click the Save on the right bar, type a name, and save it. You can click the right top view and move your iPad to see different angles of your design. Finally, click the gallery on the right bar, and you'll find it in your gallery collection. Thanks for watching! If you like it, please subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in next videos.